In our last video, we discussed Brian Shaw working on the table with resistance bands wrapped over an already decent level arm wrestler. Well, Hermes Gasparini is also doing something similar in his home gym. Long table session with Italian champions. Few days ago, we discussed how Hermes has no one else to train with. It's just him and his weights. So looks like he has also called upon his gang and let them use two hands and bands for a long 3 hours arm wrestling session. At first, this looks more like Alexei Vovoda style of training than the Levan or Brian Shaw style of training. His hand is kind of free from that extra pressure and the arm is taking most of the load. In the beginning, only one guy is pulling on the bands, both of them. So purely aesthetic reasons either, or maybe he doesn't want to put too much pressure on his arm and he wants to increase the surface area so that it reduces the pain. I'm going to be honest with you. The Alexei Vovoda legendary training footage back from 2004 or 5, whenever it was, it looked cooler and more awesome than this one. But I think no matter how strong you get, your hand will get taken by Levan Saginashvili, and maybe Hermes knows that. That's why he's focusing mostly on his arm power and not on his hand in this training session. And also, you could have a little longer training session if your hand isn't exhausted. Maybe that's why Hermes wanted to keep it fresh. And now let me summarize both Engin and Hermes Gasparini's videos for you. Let's first discuss Engin's video. So Engin said he just wanted to clarify the situation involving Hermes, Levan and himself. Hermes was calling Levan a crybaby. He was saying that last time he called Levan a crybaby, Levan complained to Engin Terzi and Engin forced him to delete that video. This time he won't be deleting any video. So Engin said that when Devon and Levan were preparing for their match, Devon tried to provoke Levan by suggesting that Hermes had actually beaten him. And even in Devon's recent video, we saw that he was saying if the match had running fouls rule system, then Hermes would have won that match. So this is 100% true story. And in response to that previous comment from Devon, Levan said that he wasn't fully prepared or motivated for that Hermes match. He wasn't trying to disrespect Hermes, or he wasn't trying to tell Hermes that he won a couple of rounds only because of those things. He was just defending himself from Devon's comments. And Hermes saw that video, he got upset and he called Levan a crybaby. That video was later deleted on request or on order from Engin Terzi. Now let's talk about Hermes Gasparini's video. Hermes talked about all of the excuses that Levan is making. He said that he is making this video because someone is crying like a big crybaby. And yes, he's talking about Levan. The first excuse was he didn't drink enough Coca-Cola, so he was just joking there. The second excuse was lack of oxygen in the arena. I would say I discussed this topic a couple of times during that time when that match actually happened. And I don't remember anyone else except Levan saying that there was lack of oxygen in the arena. Definitely not Hermes Gasparini. So now he wants the organizers to have some extra air conditioners in the arena just for Levan, just so that he cannot complain again. The third excuse was he underestimated Hermes Gasparini. He didn't say too much about that. He said it is whatever it is. I cannot talk too much about it. And then Hermes also talked about Levan criticizing his back pressure lift. He was saying that he just protects his hand and wrist and he doesn't supinate. His palm isn't facing towards him. I think Hermes is wrong here. His palm is clearly facing towards him. It's just that his body is turned the other way around. So it's creating an angle which is something between a neutral wrist and a supinated wrist. And then the fake weight allegations. Hermes assured Levan that he will be feeling real weights on the table on match day. So in the end, Hermes was saying that after he arm wrestled Levan, he proved something to himself. Before that, he never considered that he can actually become the best arm wrestler in the world. Now he thinks that. Thanks to Levan for that. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again.